guys, then I'll show you how to clear cache Opera GX browser. But for the content, don't forget to subscribe for more Opera GX tutorials. So open the Opera GX down here. Stop. And head over to the settings here on the left side bar. Click on it. And now head over to privacy and security on the left side bar. The settings tab. Now if you see delete browsing data, click on that. So this enables you to delete the cookies, cache and more. Check, make sure you select only cache to delete your cache. If you want to delete also your history and your cookies on other sites, just check these options too. You can also delete autofill from data for password and delete all site settings and also type data. So for now we'll just stick with cache and click on delete data to start deleting your cache on Opera GX browser. And this is pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.